Yo, what's going on, guys? Epic Ethan Z 321 here, back with some more games. In today's video, we have Destiny. Now, today is going to be a how to be the best in Crucible, part 1 of how to be the best using special weapons. So, what you need to do is you need to take out Conspiracy Theory D. If you don't have this, you can't be the best. I'm just kidding, take out any shotgun like Invective or something like that. So you need to take out a shotgun. Then, you set your destination. That's very important. Don't forget to do that. You go into any game mode you would like. For the sake of this, I'm going to Rumble. Press the launch button, because that's also very important, because if you don't do that, then you're never going to go anywhere. You wait. So, how are you? Oh shoot, you don't press the B button. You do not press the B button, don't do that. Fail. Oh, I suck at this game, but not in Crucible. That's why you came to me. Or because I look beautiful. And no, I did not know that I was using the Dragon's Breath. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That was kind of obvious. Actually, I should try the Dragon's Breath. Haven't used it. Oh, my artifact sucks. All my stuff sucks. Lowest it is 290, I believe. 290 is the lowest. Yep, 290. Happy New Year's to all you people, even though this channel kind of started before, or wait, what? I don't know, I'm confused. Let's see, how is our, look, we need one more person. Now, remember, do not press B. That will take you out of matchmaking. You guys like my new spaceship? It has like cool stuff coming into it. So, yeah. Step number 4. You fly. You can't get anywhere if you don't fly. So yeah, how are you? How's Jen? I think one of you guys knows a Jen. I hope, because if you didn't, that'd be really awkward. We are going to Crucible. I never get this map. This is actually one of my favorite maps. Horrible for shotguns. But never fear, today is not just shotguns. Today is special weapons. So, you want to land.
Rumble.
And of course it doesn't show me in front. Because it thinks I'm not cool. So,
Watch your back,
first,
Guardian.
you want to press Y. You get it? You have a shotgun. Then, you go through the teleporter, come to this guy. What the heck? Ah! Ah! I can't jump. I'm so not used to these controls and used to Fallout. And then you shoot and get a kill. Step number 72. You press the X button to respawn. Step number 47. No, 133. You come find someone on your radar. Then you aim at said bandito. You shoot at said bandito. Then you dance on said bandito. And then you wait for said special ammo. Then you throw a grenade. But that's not what this review is about. This isn't even a review. This is just how to be the best in Crucible. Like me. Because all y'all want to be like me. Because I'm so good in Crucible. Ooh.
You're in the lead.
Haha! You suck. I am in the lead. Well, it's always good whenever you're in the lead, right, guys? Ow! And it's not good whenever you die. That was a hard light. I got killed by a hard light. As you can tell, I am the best in Crucible. Nothing one's ever gonna kill me. Dang it, I don't have a throwing knife. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. But, oh, dang it.
You're
So yeah, all
falling
you guys want to be like me because I'm so MLG at this. So, I think you've got the basics of the shotgun down. You take out Conspiracy Theory D, and technically you've already won. Then, you come to this okay. Or you can take out Invective. It does just as good. Conspiracy Theory D. And they accidentally wrote Conspiracy Theory D as a shotgun. They meant to put Sniper. Please don't blow up on me. Oh, he's dead. Well, bye-bye. No, we should go across these things. Emma, you died! So, I think you got the basics of the shotgun down. Now, we should take out the sniper. See how the sniper goes. Oh, this is gonna go horrible. Horrible. Oh, dang, I have no special. What the heck? Heavy. So. Dear. Stay quiet.
Heavy ammo available.
Thousands of feet away. Dude's coming, dude's coming, dude's coming. Oh, how rude. That was just rude. Still need special ammo. Guys. Oh, shoot. Come at me. I'm the best. I think you can already tell that I'm the best. Did I just get a kill? Oh my god, I did. Trip mine! I saw said banditos over here. Also, when Super gets charged up... Oh, come on! Oh, rude. All these people are so rude with their shotguns. Not that I'm trying to teach you to use a shotgun. You know, you should learn from them, not from me. I'm horrible with shotguns. Horrible with every weapon. Oh, I'm so used to Fallout. I'm trying to jump by pressing Y. Give me special ammo. I got special ammo. Oh, I heard a hammer. Alright. Well. Yes, we are doing... Can we get the sneak attack off this dude? No, we can't, because, curse you, Fallout. Let's try to not switch weapons whenever we jump down. Oh, I know why I'm not succeeding. Wow, I'm really dumb.
Only 5 minutes left.
Gotta put on the good shader. The good stuffs, you know. Oh, he put on the good stuff. Oh, he looks so cool. I wish I looked like him. Oh, get it. Link everywhere. Boom. All right, gotta focus. I might be quiet for the rest of the thing, but that's because I'm trying to focus. Bum, bum, bum. I just need to imagine that I got good music here.
Heavy ammo inbound.
Bum, 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 da, ba-da, 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 ba-da. Boom, 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 boom. Oh god, someone's coming! Someone's coming! You'll never take me alive! Bye-bye. Get over here! Oh, no one's taking the heavy. Get over here, you little piece of... Ow. Okay. stay over there.
Alrighty.
Oh. Get over here! Oh!
Owie! The little hammer.
You're special. You're a titan. You have a hammer. Oh, I have a super that
Defeat
takes no
is
skill.
imminent.
Whenever hunters over here actually need skill for their stuff. Titans are, ow. Titans are just up here all like, oh yeah, I have a hammer. I have a super that needs no skill. And I can blink. Even though they don't have blink, they're still like the most OP class to ever hit planet Earth. Oh, dang it! Keep on trying to fallout jump, but I can't.
Embrace the chaos of battle,
Oh.
or you'll never know.
So, what I normally do is I take what I failed in the first one, and I do it in the second one. So, yeah, 11 kills. Wow, we did great. RNG just rewards us with a Ingram. That's exactly what I wanted. Like, yay.
Man, all these people are so good.
Did I have the high? Oh no, I don't have the highest light here. I have the second highest light, and I did horrible. Yeah, look at that KD. That KD's beautiful. You want to learn how to do that. Remember, you just gotta conspiracy theory D, and boom, your problem is solved. Maybe if I used different weapons. No, that probably wouldn't help. Maybe if I used a machine gun. Even though I didn't get heavy ammo. Ooh. Oh. Bye-bye. Well. Keep said shotgun. Put said machine gun. Ha 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 ha. Hee ha ho ha. Dun dun. Nah. Oh, that was the problem. I wasn't using bolt caster. I'm dumb. Alrighty. And I don't have my arc energy spell. Hehe. Sparrow horns. Which one was the best one? Oh, this was the best one.
Me.
No, it was this one.
Ding, ding.
Best ever. As you can see, I was an amazing Sparrow Racing League player because I got this emblem, and I have every single Sparrow Racing League shader. Oh, great! A map that's not made for. I should switch to a sniper. I'll show you guys the power of the sniper. Let's hope I can get some 6 snipes, but I probably won't knowing me. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna get crushed. This is only the good people.
Leave none
The
standing.
people that are good at this game. So, step 1 with the sniper. Aim. No one notices you if you crouch. I hear stuff. Oh, come on. Oh, he was using the conspiracy theory D.
Got a body shot.
That's really good for me. Actually getting and landing a shot, like, oh my god, what's going on with me? Like, who am I and what have I done with the real Ethan? Oh! Great, I just made an enemy. You made an enemy. Ow. Phobius. That gun. Really? Who uses that anymore? Apparently that dude does. Oh, I haven't been using the blink shotgun combo. That's why. Got a cheeky little hunter up in here. Ow! Alrighty, time to go back to the shotgun. Ever feeling down? Go to the shotgun. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Gonna get good. Da-na-na, na. Get good! Oh, I need to get good.
Heavy ammo on the way.
Now, it'd be really nice if my super charged up. It's kind of hard to do if you get no kills.
Heavy ammo available.
Yes! The bolt caster! When in doubt, bring out electrifying sword. How do I use this thing again? That's how. Hey, bruh. Come at me, bruh. Where'd you go? Oh! Shoot! Man, he had me a little panicked there. Got a narrow escape. Good job, me. I'm so good at this game. Oh shoot, I ran out!
Owie.
So yay, I'm not in West anymore. That was good. I need special ammo. Give me special ammo. Run, get special ammo. I got it, you little nerd. Ow. Okay, I see how it is, mister. I see how it is. No one survives the blade except for all the people who just did. Oh! Hate it whenever someone does that. I am coming for you. Rest in peace, bruh. Really?
Only 5 minutes
Alrighty.
left.
5 minutes left. Oh no.
Wee. Ready to watch this bossness kill. He never knew it was coming. The flankaroni with the shotgun to the face. Die. No. Dang it. That was like the best play ever. I couldn't, like, how. Oh my god! I actually got a kill! This could be the beginning of a new era for me. The MLG boss era. Like, I got a kill with my primary weapon? Who does that?
Heavy ammo inbound.
Everyone, except for me. An inbound amount of heavy ammo. I'm gonna go the complete opposite.
Heavy ammo available.
Come at me, bruh. Anyone can come at me. He's trying to make me waste all my ammo. It's not gonna work, little kid. Hey, I hope you guys know it would be really nice if I could actually just do a little thing called get a kill.
I'm so MLG boss. Cause I'm a boss and you know it. Oh. I just got a triple kill. Ow! It's all fun and games until this dude brings out a red spectrum. All like, oh, nerd, I'm gonna murder you all.
Did you hear the hammer? He's gonna kill us all with that foul beast. The cheat! The cheat is here!
Really lost.
Yep. The story of my life. Everyone cheats. I die in the Crucible. And you guys want to know how to be as good as me. Thank you. I'm a boss of this
The
game!
sting of this defeat feeds
Yeah!
your fire.
Oh, did I? Oh. Yeah. Whoa. There were 2 seconds left on that countdown timer. Well, I definitely think we did better. Let's see. 8 kills. No. The exact same KD, and of course it gives everyone a reward except for me.
I hate you.
Well, that's the end of this. How to be the best in Crucible. Tips. Loading screens. Well, that's the end. Have a great day. A great and safe day. And don't forget to like and comment this video. Also, subscribe. Peace out.